I think internet is bad also. People waste too much time on social media. Internet can also be used as to spread negative message. So I think internet is both good and bad.
You are right. Some people are doing wrong thing through internet. They are spreading negative message, which is
We can use social platforms to share our information, which is a good sign for our freedom of speech.
very right. In fact, with the help of internet, we can express our opinion, and this is also our constitutional right to say anything. But our expression, our every statement must be good, must be in the interest of society, and must be legal, so that there may be complete harmony in our society. There should be no rumor through internet. Okay. Today, the topic of discussion is internet good or bad? In fact, every coin has two sides. In the same way, internet is good and it may be bad also sometimes if it is not used properly. Today, I would like to know the different opinions of all the students who are present here. So, Ritika, what do you think? Is internet good or bad?
From my point of view, internet is good because internet is the best source to get information on various topics to improve knowledge, and we can easily connect with the whole world within a few seconds. By using internet, we can show our talents to the whole world. So internet is good.
Very good. So, from your point of view, internet is good. We can show our talent to the whole world, sitting at home without the help of anyone. Okay. Now, from both sides, I would like to know your opinion. Is internet good or bad, especially for students? What do you think, Piyush? Please you tell me.
From my standpoint, internet is not good from a student point of view because many students are getting distracted by internet. They are using many social platforms which are wasting their precious time. So internet is not good.
Okay. From your point of view, students are wasting their time, so internet is not good. Okay. Now, Priyanshi, do you think is internet good or bad?
From my viewpoint, internet is a powerful medium for online shopping. Various kinds of websites are available on the internet on which you can purchase any type of stuff. And I think internet is very good.
We can buy anything online and we can save time. So internet is good. Okay, Vikas, your name is Vikas. So is the world progressing in this age with the help of internet or not? So what's your opinion?
Sir, I think internet is good and bad both also, but only depends on user. Nowadays, it is very necessary to be connected with the whole world. As a fish can't survive without water, we can't imagine our life without internet. And data has become like water for us. So internet is good, but internet is bad also because most of the students are trapped in the net of internet, and they get bad content on it and learn bad things. And cybercrime is also an example of misusing of internet. So internet is bad also.
Okay. So from your point of view, internet is both good and bad. It depends on the user. Okay, because you have also interest in poetry. Would you like to recite any poem related to internet?
Yes.
Please recite.
देखो देखो यह इंटरनेट का ज़माना आ गया, क्रांति की तरह पूरी दुनिया पर छा गया। यह हंसता भी बहुत है, खिलखिलाता भी बहुत है, किसी किसी को तो रुलाता भी बहुत है। यह उपयोगी बहुत है, इससे दिल लगी भी बहुत है, बच्चों को मन को भा गया। देखो देखो यह इंटरनेट का ज़माना आ गया, यह क्रांति की तरह पूरी दुनिया पर छा गया।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. So you have depicted the right picture of internet. Really it is good and bad also. Afifa, what do you think? Is internet good or bad from your point of view?
From my standpoint, internet is good because without it we can't do any online works. Most of the students who can't pay the online fees of tuition and coaching, then they may study online. So internet is very useful for student in this era. So I think internet is good.
Okay. From your point of view, we can study online. So internet is very useful and a powerful medium to study online. Okay. Pooja, what's your opinion? What do you think?
According to me, internet is good because internet is very beneficial for students in all aspects. So I think internet is good.
Okay. So you are also in favor of internet. Now Armagan, do you agree? is internet good or bad? How can you prove it if it is good? And if it is bad, how can you prove it?
From my point of view, internet is not good because for the student, if we study online, then the various sites like Vedantu and Byju's charge a lot of money. So from my point of view, internet is not good.
So from your point of view, online study is very costly. So it's not proper for poor students to study online. Okay, Imtiaz, what do you think?
According to me, internet is good because nowadays with the help of internet we can work from home. So I think internet is good for us because we can earn money from home. So I think internet is good.
From your point of view, we can do online work sitting at home. We can also do office work sitting at home. So our home has become like an office, especially during lockdown period. So this is the use of internet. Very well. Now Amisha, what do you think from your point of view? Is internet good or bad?
From my opinion, internet is good because internet plays an important role in human life, and internet has created a lot of opportunities that were not there before. We should utilize technology to make this world a better place to live in. And because of the internet, the world has become a global village. So internet is good.
Siddharth, what's your opinion? What do you think?
My opinion is internet is good and bad both also. First of all, I will tell the advantage of internet. By the help of internet, we can learn, read, and also online shopping, online payment, and sitting from home, we can earn money by the help of internet.
Anshu, what do you think? Is internet good or bad for students?
From my point of view, internet is good because with the help of internet, people can do online marketing sitting at home. Internet saves our time. When we get bored, internet provides entertainment. So I think internet is good.
Okay. From your point of view, internet is also a source of entertainment and it also saves our time. You are right. Now Preeti, what do you think?
From my opinion, we can easily connect with people with the help of video conferencing and screen sharing, and we can also apply online for jobs. So internet is very useful for us.
Okay, from your point of view, students can apply online sitting at home. So there is no need to go to college to stand in long queue. It will save the time of students. Anjali, what do you think? Is internet good or bad?
From my point of view, internet is boon for society because in this digital age, we are practically handicapped without internet. By the help of internet, we can get higher education, manage our business, can communicate with another far places sitting at home. So internet is good.
Okay, you all are in favor of internet. Now, Hiraj, what do you think? Is internet good or bad?
I think internet is good because we can fill up online form, so it saves our time.
Okay. So from your point of view, you can fill up online form and you don't need to go to college. Ankit, what do you think? Is internet good or bad?
I think internet is good because it is the best source to get information to increase our knowledge.
So from your point of view, we can increase knowledge, we can get information of the whole world with the help of internet. Yes, you are right. Divya, what's your opinion? What do you think about internet?
From my opinion, internet is good. The biggest advantage of internet is that it opens the world of information with the click of a button. With the help of internet, we can purchase anything and can also order food items which can be delivered at our home. So internet is good.
Okay, you are also in favor of internet. Ruchi, do you take interest in internet? Is internet interesting or is it harmful for students?
From my opinion, internet is good because internet's source of entertainment and play games and watch movies and listen any kind of music and also study online with the help of internet. But I think internet is also bad. If we use it in excessive amount, it will create many health issues like vision problem. So I think internet is both good and bad.
Okay. From your point of view, internet is good if used properly. If it is used excessively, it is bad. So you are right, excess of anything is bad. Twinkle? Do you agree? Is internet good or is internet bad? What's your opinion?
I think internet is good because in this modern era everything has become digital. By the help of internet we can know that condition of the whole world with the help of internet. So internet is good.
Ritik, what's your opinion about internet?
I think internet is good because nowadays internet is most essential for us in many ways. Online shoppings, net banking. Without internet we cannot lead a comfortable life, so internet is good.
Okay. I think most of the students who are present here, they are in favor of internet, which is also right. Practically we are handicapped without internet. So every coin has two sides. So Ritika, would you like to say anything else regarding internet?
Yes sir. I think internet is good as well as bad. By using internet, our bank account and social media account can be hacked, and this is the reason of cybercrime. So internet is also bad.
Amisha, what do you think about internet?
I think internet is definitely a boon because if students belong to the IT or computer science field and want to learn different kinds of languages related to computers, then the internet is the best platform for them to practice. However, it totally depends on us because every coin has two sides. It is up to us to take good and to leave bad. And in this modern era, internet is very important for us. So internet is both.
Good and bad, okay. So really in this digital age, internet is very important and it is the soul of every work. It is the soul of every online work. Now, Priyanshi, what do you think about internet? Priyanshi?
I think internet is bad also because there have been many cyber attacks on bank and corporate sector through the internet, and hacking is the most common disadvantage of internet. So internet is good and bad.
Okay. So really, as they have told that every coin has two sides, in the same way internet is good and it may be bad also if we are careless or if we use it in excessive way. Excess of anything is bad. Piyush, would you like to say anything else?
Yes, I would like to say that internet is creating a lot of employment. So it is one of the important advantages of internet. Also, we can use social platforms to share our information, which is a good sign for our freedom of speech.
Very right. In fact, with the help of internet, we can express our opinion, and this is also our constitutional right to say anything, but our expression, our every statement must be good, must be in the interest of society, and must be legal so that there may be complete harmony in our society. There should be no rumor through internet. Okay, anyone else?
Nowadays, lot of students are addicted of games. Due to that, they are affected their mind and eyesight. So I think we should use internet as per need, not addicted. So I think
Okay, from your point of view, some students are playing mobile games and they are playing with their future. So mobile games must be avoided by students. Anyone else? Would you like to say? Anshu? Yeah. Okay, Anshu.
I think internet is bad also. People waste too much time on social media. Internet can also be used as to spread negative message. So I think internet is both good and bad.
You are right. Some people are doing wrong thing through internet. They are spreading negative message, which is very bad for the unity of our India. Preeti, what's your opinion?
I think internet is also bad because computer users and malicious users can hack accounts and steal personal information. So internet is very harmful for.
You are also right. Many people are stealing our personal information, which is very harmful and which is very dangerous. So I think from your point of view, from your different opinions, the conclusion is that internet is both good and bad. We must be alert and we must not use internet in excessive amount because excess of anything is bad. And internet may be useful if you use it properly and it may be harmful if you misuse it. So use internet properly to keep pace with this digital world. Thank you, all of you.